The weave is dying. And forgiveness is.
Y lagunok ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongi etorri oso espaldiko parte ezberrepintain bi honetara. Gainera, orain dela gutxi, zuzeneko hau egiten ari naizen momentutik nahiko gertu aktualizazio potente bat egon da, eta sartu naiz hemen berriro ea jakiten dudan zertan datzan gauza berri horiak beraz, vale, hori bagenuen. Desafioak.
Geheimnisnacht always seems to roll around earlier every year. Must be getting old. Stay alert out there and stay alive.
Gortzelin. Ze monstru, eventu bat. Desafioak. Vale, listo. Igual lo hay. Bueno, betiko les joder. Atzitzen aukera. Es partida escarra. Ya norbait topatzen du.
Tol, the Lord of Beasts, is a patron of hunters. He's an intemperate being, swift to anger and unswerving in pursuit. But, hey.
Va a decir de algún señor, va a basura. Es pertsona bat. Bueno, es de la cámara. Vale. Apurot bere rolloan sartu dago.
I never thought rambling around the Chaos Wastes could be such fun.
Yeah, it's always good to broaden your horizons, Frigorati.
Every journey through the Chaos Wastes is different. Your pilgrimage cannot be paused, only abandoned. Where you see a halo, the site is cursed by the Chaos Gods. I'm sure nothing will go wrong.
Ya, ikusiko da. 73 hori zer da? Ay, Pestilence Clana. Lire la cena da purba trampa.
A bomb! Oh, we can use that.
The Chaos Gods are not interested in this place. How long will that last? Who can say?
Io avrei invidiato batzen dudan.
No stalling, Dringbarazzi. We'll get there yet. Get behind me! Yes! You're a dab hand in a tight spot, Talon.
Vale, guachen aurrera.
Oh, it's good of Alicia to get us around that big golden wall. Who's all on the other side of it?
Ah, eta kamerarena batzutan funtzionatzen du beste batzutan, Beraz, kasurik ere ez egin.
Oh, they're on the attack now! Over here! You hear that last beat, Shorty?
Leeches down! Gas rat! Over here, slowing!
Gas rat's dead!
See? Bit of liniment and I'm good as new. Keep on it!
Oh, no! A recovery! There's more room here! Right here! Give me a good shot! Is that all you've got? You must have more!
Clever, do you?
You've earned your reward. Don't forget it.
Vale, guasi.
Oh, couldn't be easier.
Vale, guasi. Guasi no lo sé.
Come on, down here!
Fight! Yes, fight! The path will clear.
You're fighting the bloody Uber's right 5 now, you scum!
That's another town we've not had time to burn. Very distressing.
I could do this all day.
Roland! I'm losing blood!
Your fire is feeding Sienna.
Not sure there should be this much blood.
You look fit to collapse, Aaron.
Definitely felt better.
So many dead. More to
Come on, keep going!
We have you, wizard!
Oi, fucker! Take your best shot! Yeah, right, gobbles, the lot of you! Over here! Easy pickings for you, only a doorway!
Pestilent zealots! I can't take much more, darling.
You look pale, wizard.
Suppose that's right.
Rest, Sienna. Gather your strength.
Get clear, Carillion. That rat ogre's coming down.
Huh, I'd like to see the brute crush me.
Ammunition here.
Never hear you speak much about your first tutors, Aaron.
Old
what's
Rambler,
that?
you mean? He didn't teach me much. He wanted a shadow apprentice. But I had talent only for the blaze.
Oh, what's happened to him?
Dunno, don't care. He learned a valuable lesson about hitting young girls with the butt of his staff. I'm fond of that memory.
Listen, leech.
Vale, este pertsona sartu da.
Strangler!
Este que diría
Pop that elf goes down a clearer path, I'll give her that! Come on, Whitehead! You stink stronger than you try. That's all you've got. Not enough, neither in numbers or effort. More! Through here! Cousin Ochry says hello.
Vale, lehen zatea lortuta. Ez dago beste aukerarik.
Aisha's grace. Healing draft.
No Chaos God watches over this place. At least, not yet.
Oh, Chelsea ni una stiari.
Slice them to pieces, darlings. Rest is for later. Flames are for now.
Got shield racket!
Yeah, that's funny, isn't it?
Oh, that's another down!
Another wave of filth about to crash against me.
Right here! Give me a good shot! That's all you've got!
Too softly, you failure, assassin. Watch out for shield rats, Lumberfoots.
Face them together, stay close!
Watch out, plague monks.
Kill them! Shield vermin! Never hear you speak much about your first tutor, Saren.
Old Rambler, you mean? He's a shadow apprentice. But I had talent only for the blade.
See that arm and recovery? It's all yours, Draculazi. Keep on it! Oi! Over here! I know you can't! The also black! Someone give me a... Here they come! Lightning! A bloody dogfiend!
You did it! Don't forget to claim your reward.
Reckon I hear a Gadrak.
More to do. Always more to do.
The gunner's dead!
Insomma, chingón.
Stand ready! Let's hope it works quick. Let's make this a contest! Kill them all to win! Yeah! Oh, there were Telgies racking them up, isn't she? Savage coming in!
Tengo nuke, Ahora.
Hello, little bomb. We could do great things together.
Bueno, el fósil vano a aquesta bomba tomaria. Eso hasta tarde.
Don't lose heart. Fight on, and the way will open.
Here we go. Let's make them suffer. On to bed boom! Close up. Don't want to get separated.
Vale, no sé, aquí tienes la normal. Las flechas sí son da potente, vamos, sí,
I love watching you work, Saren. Strangler! Hog, gun rat.
Prowling gun.
That rasping prick.
Grappling firing! Move!
So many shots, such poor aim. I'll never understand why you chose your patron as you did, Mayfly.
The liar fights for hearth and home, and so do I. It's not complicated, Dory.
They're just a pale shadow of the true elven gods, you know. We'll see his fat face soon enough.
Dios. Ay, lo quita. No, yo lo digo hasta en esto una. Venga ya. A ser gaitik.
You may earn miracles and boons from shrines along the way. You can spend pilgrims' coins at this shrine to receive boons. Or if you have enough, perhaps you might seek a miracle for the whole party. Spend your coins wisely, and hope your fellow pilgrims do the same.
Hola, Watson. Vale. Bueno, karne asiatik entzea hobeto. Hori ona da, jainkorik botatzena gaingo dugu orain gainditzen dugu modu.
We all have a purpose here. Just enjoy it.
There are champions among the enemy ranks. Approach with care.
Not bad. Bit of practice will make a soldier of you.
We've slain the hex.
Watch the archers!
Calm down.
If we stray into the realm of chaos, you are on your own, Lumberfoots. Healing draft over here.
Listen to that! Reckon with a spawn somewhere near. I'll just hang here, shall I?
Don't hang here all day.
Surely you're a smart yet, something. Can't kill a door with an old arrow, sorry. That's all you've got? I'm a grandmother in charge of that. No, you damn the usual blind. Bloody Sigmar.
It's all better.
You look pale, wizard.
Someone smash that ugly flag. Don't. Gonna be a flag bearer.
What an odd taste. There is no escape. Bob, over here.
Somebody.
Downed by a little scratch like that, Kruber.
I'll set that hook rat ablaze.
Cannot hide.
This door is unsealed, you people.
Cultist's lair.
Fight, yes, fight. The path will clear.
Big tall. See me fight!
Visirán, vale.
Watch out for your mates and we'll get through this. Cromrill. Go for it!
Hear that?
Definitely felt better. The banner's down! They're weakening!
Light through!
Looks like the Rockbloods have claimed this section of the wastes for themselves, Dory.
They're welcome to it, Bardin.
Aye, but what else will they take alongside?
No good comes of fighting on ice splits.
Shield won't save you, Ratty.
They don't learn, do they?
My shield take that blow.
Next one's slain.
Bombs away!
Keep your arms straight if you want to hit anything with it. That's sure not what. Keep your arms straight if you want to hit anything with it.
Here, try
Vestiger charging! Watch out for shield rats, Lumbertons!
Fire rat's dead. See that? Assassin's
Mundu
coming.
sentitu honetan. Vale.
Just try to stop me.
Vale. Ongi.
What a mess. Not a scrap of good stone in sight.
The Chaos Gods seek entertainment in other lands. You may proceed in relative safety.
Are you deaf? There's a Chaos Warrior near.
Es que el líder me cago en.
Down in one!
That's slow! More than the glory!
No la vamos a ir. OVRA.
Am I alone? It It would seem so. There she goes, our skinny little way from that killing machine.
Ja, mun się łapie miesiąca.
Gas rat! About to show! You think pain will stop me?
Incoming! Gas rat!
Failed, gas rat. Death is too good for you.
This is the path! Do these stairs even lead anywhere?
Medical supplies. Ah, time for a potion.
No, vale, la
A blessed shot!
Ah, vale, Ortiz. ¿Dónde vive? Ah, vale, Ortiz. Ven ahora. No le cosute naua en el cual tú en el descalle a correr. Ah, vale, este pertenece a tu isla. Ez dago beste biderik. Nurgle. Pikutara. Bueno, que era bastante. beste saiakera bat.
Every journey through the Chaos Wastes is different. A pilgrimage must be seen through to the end without respite. Sites marked with a halo are cursed by the Chaos Gods. I'm sure nothing will go wrong.
Are you sleepy? Now!
The Chaos God's attention is elsewhere. Isn't that fortunate?
You hit it! Near please. This way! Onwards!
You think pain will stop me?
Antwa, the beast brings fire!
That potion might be handy.
Let the water beast!
Come here, was it? Take your best shot! Fall back! I smite your heathen soul!
You did it! Don't forget to claim your reward.
The dead require vengeance. Good idea of Grimge's, this. Can't hurt to ask the gods for a bit of help.
I'm surprised he even suggested it. The man sees heresy in every shadow, and now he leads us to the Chaos Wastes?
He's worried. Any wasn't can see that.
He's right to be. This won't end well. Mark my words.
ze ona. Da bat akabatzeko magia erabiltzen.
I hear a leech on the prowl. It's up here.
Take it down. Meandering and get down here. Blood everywhere, and another one's gone.
Honetan gendu barri da zu hori.
Blightstormer, and he's close.
To win.
Don't lecture me, Gorickson.
You're bloody mess then, Grimgate.
What's up? Please incoming!
Awake your plan of judgment!
Blightstorm is near, mayflies. We need to cut down the banner, mayflies. That sorcerer must die if the storm is to cease.
These dreams, this black...
Blightstormer, bring him down before he casts.
Oye.
Stand fast, Gory! Don't bring that standard down, it's going to end badly for us. They're not past us.
Let the weeds be avenged!
you're excited about. Destroy the standard!
An apothecary's wares, ours for the taking.
We have a light storm! Light stormer, he's gone. You hear what I hear, mate? Leech.
Look what I hear, slim shit!
Come here!
Let the weed come here!
Give me a call! There's Leech! Hogger! Nothing! Do it proper! That rasping breath, a gas rat. Get back! Incoming!
Down here, are you all blind?
The Chaos Wastes are an affront to the Weave. As to how they came into being.
I know this one. It was all down to a plague of frogs.
Frogs! Frogs! So, gutter runner. What makes us that story about? Ah, my grandmother hits hard as that. I know you daft. The also fly.
A rattling gun.
Stand ready.
By that scent.
Ah, you're getting the knack of this story. That's not how you use a field, rat man. This way. Give me a potion!
Lend me a fight!
Bombs away!
I'll keep him away from the next one, Mayflies. No desire to die from Blackfire.
If your squawking wasn't so distracting.
I could put an arrow in your arse, one eye. It might help you to stay in the moment.
Come on then, we'll have ya!
Blackfire song. So I'd better walk the
Shatter that standard, Mayflies.
Wait for me! What's this, you mistress of thorns?
The power of Sigmar wants thee! I hit my... I'll give you one for free!
The more I hate, the more you.
Hammer! I hear a Minotaur!
Wait for me!
Let's stand and blood with unholy power!
Not the bit.
Yet have a duty!
An ice storm!
Go, I'm right behind you. I'm binding my wounds.
Minotaur! Over here! Easy pickings for you! Only a doorway!
So, anyone care to pull me up?
Uy.
Yes, have a good look. Sure, you've nothing better to do.
Ah! Fit for the hunt! Once again! The standard taken care of! That's what we call a
The more I hate, blames you!
We'll be ancestor gods today. What would you be a god of?
Brilliant, the inscrutable, who silences fools who ask too many questions.
Yeah, well, that's something to think on.
Not enough! Neither is the first someone give me a reel!
Here, ammunition!
These Northlanders will worship any representation of death. The soul is willing, but the flesh requires binding. For the love of there's a warfire thrower nearby.
Azkenean heldu gara, jartzen diren esbizioen panoramen gaizki erakilu dela ez dela aukera ona gure taldean sartzea. Badirudi baiet.
You may earn miracles and boons from shrines along the way. If you have pilgrim's coins, this might be a good time to spend them on a boon. Or perhaps you'd prefer to buy a miracle for the whole party. Your coins are your own. Do with them as you think best.
Here.
Yes, it's vile.
You will have no trouble from the Chaos Gods today.
Yes, no fatten.
At least, I think so.
I think he's dead, Newt.
Ah, vale. Beste gizakioa sartu da gure jokatzea, ondo.
There's a proper kind of madness up here. Worse than it's tempting.
Sigmund is our shield and our flaming sword. Keep it up, Dringarazi! Ice is determined, I'll give it that.
Creo que me han dio monstruo agertzeari. Ah, eso es un monstruo agertzeari.
You did it! Don't forget to claim your reward.
That rasping breath, a gas rat.
It's about to get a lot hotter.
Stand there, watch it, it's going to explode!
That's a Blight Stormer. You don't even know how to parry one eye. Light leech lurking these lies.
See? A potion!
Eres todo el mundo, sí, Ori, que la
Holy Sigma! Bless this ravaged body! Someone pull me up or I'll die of boredom!
These are runes, angry with lava.
Again, Gorrington, hit it again! Doomy won't be a problem now. I hear tell that further north it is even worse. The skies wail above, forests of flesh and bleeding stone. crowd of heretics, I'll be bound.
Potion! Here!
Yeah, this doesn't look good, does it?
Have a care! That's a Chaos Warrior!
Your help won't bother us now.
What's this, you mistress of thorns?
Really? Aha! You want another Beach incoming! Remember your training, mate!
Look at that armored creature for blatant dead. Like Leech, come with haste, Mayflies. Lend me your might.
Ha! One less leech! Maybe we'll be ancestor gods one day. What would you be a god of?
Never thought much about it, if I'm honest.
Perhaps it's better you remain mortal after all. Come on, Shield Rakiel! Why does the mountain have a face?
Come out, Rock. Wait for me!
Fire! Globadier! The more I hate Slim Oh, my lungs! More fire thrower! Big man, get it! Blow through down to down!
Right, it's called Tianisha!
My God, each us where your hit cannot drag
Feel the more Sir Kruger, you filthy bastards! Glory be a potent! Come on, you devils, I'm ready for ya! Filling a bomb! Careful with those bombs, Saltzman! Can't afford to waste them. Don't lecture me, Godson. Don't bloody lecture, Whiskey!
Gogorra izan da hau, Gatik nurgle.
Potion here!
Khorne has cursed this place. Beware of exploding skulls.
I am in awe. Plague rats! We'll take them together!
That shot was acceptable. I'll never understand why you chose your patron as you did, Mayfly.
Sigma remains the only choice for the righteous. All others exist only in his shadow.
Whatever drives your elbow and all that.
Look out! Nice! Fight on! Rest up,
ikusten denean
Grimby.
ikusten da.
Regather your strength.
We're almost there.
Ah, potions!
And the bodies. Show respect. By Sigma! Plague monks!
You don't even know how to carry one eye.
Watch yourself!
Ancient! Linear fight!
Oh, there's a lot of them.
Look out! Whoa!
Shield it, rat! Take heed!
Solid uncertainty! Where? I'm Lily of the Party!
Zetik muy liado.
Good golly, Dorrington! Tell them all! That's how it's done! Kill them all, Grimby! Beware! That's Havana! So much for that assassin!
Healing draft. You'll need it.
Help us! Throwing a bomb! Come on, Shield Rakial! This is our moment! Make them pay!
What's this, your mistress of thorns?
You think to outshoot the daughter of Lorraine?
Don't let them drag you down, Glory! That can do this all day!
Wait for me!
Got to run it now!
I'm surprised to see you still here.
Gruber! Keep killing like this and I'm gonna lose my bed.
Hey, Wolfman! You don't shoot for a zombie, but you know how she comes. Bless it!
Whose side are you on, dwarf?
Potion! Don't waste it!
Hello? What's all this then?
Now steel alone must serve.
Listen, Dory. Chaos warriors.
Ha! More to kill.
I need more ammunition.
Have a care, beastman archers. Have a care, bombs away. Power cloud attack. It's a chaos warrior. You must not die, Dwarf. Our work is back in you.
The more I hate, claims you.
Down the hatch. Hang on.
I'm not afraid of your destiny! When I
Shield Raki incoming!
let the weeds feel it! Wait for me!
Eyes open!
Look at that armored brute. More plate than sense.
What's the matter, Kentucky? Can't get up! Ah! What sorcery is this?
The more I hate, claims you.
Too much.
Look out, Gringorazzi! Here, have a bomb! Need I do everything? Destroy the banner! No more flame! Let's finish him off!
Find his proxy on it, let the water speak!
Skaven Gunner! A rattling gun. That was akin to those things. Vestigals, Sarasa! Kneel before Sarasa, you filthy bastards. Stop! Looks like someone got their measurements wrong.
Oh, such vileness.
I hope it's not spiled.
You sure you can't gimmick up a dwarven contraption to save us some of this traipsing about?
I could. It's not travelling if you don't think it's science.
The science? You know, I've already seen my fill of crazy Northlanders. Thank you very much.
Not yet. Not yet.
May I remind you, you are not invincible, dwarf?
Vale. Questa rondaie. Vale, eske azken izaten urgle berriro.
That tower's a bit different, eh?
Can't fault your bigger, Tory.
There is a peculiar manifestation in this land. Proceed with caution.
A healing dropper too with this flask.
Sigmar is our shield, and our flaming sword.
Are you deaf? There's a Chaos Warrior near. So, now we fight a troll. Silly folk.
The troll!
Burning inside.
That's a troll! Right up, One Eye!
Up you get, Simon! In Sigmar's name! He's a troll! Can't do me!
God.
I spend my blood willingly!
Wait for me!
Good work. Keep going.
Don't let her sacrifice be in vain. Revolt the beast! Forward from
We're out.
Pull me up, somebody.
Netan, justo partida netan.
Don't back, fallen.
If I'm not die here, it would be embarrassing.
It's about to build story. Where's the Silastumi? The swing to bathe him. Silastumi, this is about to get messy.
Joder. Zentz madarikatua. Eta hau zer. Ba, beno lagunok, hau izan da dena, espero gustoko esan zaizuela, eta horrengoan gehiago, agur.